All right, real quick introduction. Well, no, real quick saying goodbye from Vantage. There's Ian. Tried to wake up a little bit earlier, but it seems like the sun, 5:40 in the morning, it's already starting to come up over the hills. This place is going to be blazing hot by Tuesday, so yeah, we're going to get out of here. It's supposed to be another 98-degree day today down here. We're going to try and make our way up to Quincy, so about 40 miles, have to cross the bridge and straight up past George, see if we can get a place up there. So all right. Fisherman dock for down by here, down by the dam. Restroom. The dam itself is blocked off. And our crossing path is a little further down. So yeah, and our bridge is actually going to be down there. It's just part of the dam right here. Got a guy in a truck coming. There we go. Other end of the Cascade Trail. We have to go down. Yeah, that one goes away from the bridge. All right, off to the left. Well, that's the end we would have come out on if we would have taken the Cascades instead of the Vantage highway, so go, that's the way we're going. Yeah, just another gravel Beverly Trail. Kind of riding the areas that are nice and flat. The gravel ridden off of it. We're almost up to that bridge though. We're hoping there's not any issues. Slow, just all over the place. That's definitely one reason you don't want to take that path. Road right there doesn't connect up to the bridge, does it? Alright, Beverly Junction. We gotta definitely find out. Hope it's just straight through. Yes. Okay. Or like every other bridge, they'd have them close off, something like that for something like this. Alright, so everything's open, straight through passage. You got like a crop that's growing down there, protecting it from insects. Beverly Junction Bridge, assuming that's what they call it. Absolutely beautiful. Man, I love the way that they've taken that really custom to cyclists for this particular bridge. Connection on the other side of the bridge over there. The end of this start turning left, go straight up. See a little bit of a climb. Yep. This is the town of Beverly, I guess. Yeah, after climbing out of Beverly Dog Pound. Yeah, there's the rest of the valley down there. Yeah, we're on the other side. We're climbing up. We've gotten 900 feet so far. I think there's a total of 1,400 feet up at the top of this ridge here before it dips down, going back towards storage. So, all right. Yeah, it's kind of serene when you just take a look at it from a single view. But Yeah, the Cascade Loop is off in that direction. On the other side, it's definitely a pretty wild adventure right there going through there. Especially as difficult as trail was just for what we're traversing. So we're just going to stay on the main roads for, I think, the rest of this trip here. I think there's no other trails that we can take. So I'm glad that we took the Cascade Loop, or the Loop Cascade, as much as we did. So yeah, let's get out here in a hurry. So we're on the Beverly Road. We're now reaching the 26. Usually a pretty high speed traffic, so I think if we're gonna go, we better go now. Got some traffic coming across. Yeah, so Highway 26, that's the one that leads to Othello down that way. And that goes back down to the gorge. And Highway 90, of course. All right, got a power substation up here. Yeah, generally a fairly decent ride so far. Grant County. Grant County. Public utility. Okay. All right. Roadside attraction. Rain. Kind of love that. Who cares if it gets the phone wet? Hill Drive. All right. Burke Vineyard wine tasting. I know it was up here somewhere. Not today though. We're gonna stop off in George. I think there's a Subway there. See if we can stop off and get something. So out there harvesting. What? Got these guys out here harvesting the fields. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we've come up quite a ways since from when we started. So. Yeah. You can see the bridge all the way from here. Oh yeah. Well, bridge is almost just a little bit out of sight. You got a farm right there, so. Hey. Oh man. Yep. Okay. And we're at 1,464 Finally reached I-90. Yeah. Now we're just heading right into Quincy or George. Hopefully Subway will be open. Otherwise, I'm sure there will be other places. Take a little bit of time, relax. We'll start heading up to Quincy. All right. Here's 281. This one's going to be really, really busy. Nice tree spike, vehicle spike over there. Oh, damn. It's going to be an interesting way to cross here. Okay. Yep. we finally made it through Quincy. Had a little bit of time where we needed to take a break. We're on Highway 28. We're about 16, 17 miles from the hotel. Yeah, it's just beautiful out here, but Ian definitely needed to have a few minutes to just kind of let it all out. I think he's a little bit better now, but I'll tell you, some people leave road debris on the bike path. We ran into a big seat cushion from a boat, and that was not very helpful. So we're going to be very careful when we're going down these hills. Officially oh my god. Officially reached Wenatchee. Map router got us on the bike route, so that's good. It'll get us on the bike bridge and keep us off traffic. I think we're gonna do awesome. Might as well. Okay.